Dear intermediate student friends, a good news for you. We have uploaded all FM revision batch lecture fully free on our YouTube channel AS Foundation. So don't delay, go to website vknow.in. You can purchase the book from there and watch the video lecture free on our YouTube channel AS Foundation. Please share this video with your other friends also who are in CA Intermediate. They will also be benefited. We have covered all the important questions and all the important theory in our revision video lectures. So within around 25 to 30 hours, you will be able to revise the entire FM syllabus with all good questions and very useful for your upcoming exam. So don't delay. Website is vknow.in for buying the book, and you can watch the lecture on AS Foundation YouTube channel. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll give you more such information and more free video lectures on this. Thank you.